Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me. So I am just heading out for a business conference and this is the outfit I'm wearing, and I thought why not just go ahead and do a quick chatty get ready with me makeup video. So the first thing I do is I go ahead and apply some lip balm, and post that I use a really good moisturizer because I have super dry skin, and it tends to get even more drier when I use any BB cream or a CC cream. So first things that I like to do is add a heavy moisturizer, but if you have oily skin you can skip this step. The next thing I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal True Match BB cream. Now, this is a really blendable and very lightweight BB cream, and it goes so well on my skin tone. They have a really nice shade range as well, and one tube lasts for a really long time. So once I apply that, I just go ahead and blend it in with my fingers. And this BB cream gives a nice medium coverage, which is very nice for everyday use. Then I go in and use the white tone face powder and set my pain areas where I have a lot of oiliness. And so I just use like concentrate of it and put it on areas where there's a lot of oiliness that I generally find, and I just leave it on that way before I go back in and use a brush to brush out all the face powder and apply it evenly all over my face. So this way it sets the BB cream as well. The next thing I'm going to do is take this O2O highlighter that I bought off of AliExpress, and I'm going to use it to highlight a few areas that I generally like to highlight, where it gives a nice shine or a shimmer whenever there is a picture clicked, and it just gives that clear glowing skin kind of a look. So that's what I'm doing here, and like you can see, I've just used one drop. The next thing I'm doing is just adding a very light blush, and this is the Blue Heaven blush that I'm using, and I use very little of it because I'm going for a business conference and I don't want it to be over the top, and hence I'm just using very little of it just to get a slight rosy look to the cheeks. Moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to be using a very light highlighting shade for my eyelids, and it's a very basic, simple eye look. Once that is done, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in and use the Lakme Iconic eyeliner and use that as the liner for the top of my eyelids. In case you have small eyes and you want to make them look bigger, you can also use a kohl pencil for the waterline, and that will bring out your eyes and make it look much bigger. And this is how it looks. Next, I'm going to use the Blue Heaven mascara to just go ahead and give some volume to my lashes. For my lips, I'm going to be using the Me Now Kiss Proof lipstick, and this is a powdery matte finish, and it's in the shade 011, and here's how the finish looks. I hope you like watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.